Every thought, word, and deed becomes a line of code.
These karmic lines are stored in your chitta, the memory cloud of the soul.
As the Gita reminds us, you have the right to your actions, but never to the fruits.
You are always coding, with every intention, spoken or unspoken. The universe compiles these actions into outcomes, unseen but exact.
But you cannot control the output. You only control the code, never the result.
Some programs run endlessly, emotional patterns, addictions, karmic habits looping in silence.
Other codes run in the background, passed down through generations, inherited like emotional DNA.
And when life breaks you down, it's your soul beginning a deep debugging process.
Like an unprotected device, your mind installs malware, beliefs and illusions gathered unconsciously.
When thoughts run unchecked, your spiritual system slows down, overwhelmed, reactive.
Meditation is like cleaning your RAM, clearing space, restoring clarity, making the system usable again.
When you repeat a mantra, you defrag your hard drive, reorganizing scattered thought patterns.
Satsang is your system upgrade. Through spiritual company, your internal programs evolve.
Your OS crashes when ego hijacks the controls, confusing the user with the program.
But even in a crash, light leaks through.
Moksha is not deleting the system. It's detaching the user from the illusion that the system is the self.
It's the realization, I am not this program. I am not my history, nor my mind's reactions.